Another woodpecker.
Another
okay?
woodpecker,
And
which looks like it may have been eating suet just a few moments
it
before
does.
that.
It looks like something has gotten stuck
Yeah.
there. And right there on the type of wood that they are attracted to, correct? Isn't that like the type of wood that they'll come to?
Anything
kinda
old
old
and
they like it old.
dark, with no bark on it, it's kind of grayish look. They know it's old. They'll go looking for insects in it. Yes, absolutely.
Right.
Hello, this is Richard Cole. I want to thank each of you for watching, and I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share it.